So we're ready to do our activity. It's all you're gonna need is some paint, and I understand paint is not something that you might come across in the grocery store very easily. So you can either go get some paint at Walmart or something, or I have a recipe that I use, and that's the paint that I have today. That you can use at home as well. It's under the messy play section in the website, and it's how to make your own paint. And it's just a couple ingredients. I made this a week ago maybe, and it still feels great. It's just flour, food coloring, some water, um, and it makes some pretty good paint. And the paint's non-toxic, doesn't have anything in it, so you can use it for finger painting. You can use it with little siblings, and when they're painting, so that even if they put them in their mouth, it's not a big deal. So if you don't have paint, this is a perfect alternative for situation right now. So all you need, I made some nice pink paint that I'll be using. I also made some other colors. I made blues and yellows and greens and purples, so you can make any colors that you like. And we're going to be stamping bunnies today. And all you need to make your stamp are three toilet paper rolls. And all I did is I glued them together. So I used a hot glue gun, but you can use regular glue too. I'm sure it'll still work. Um, and you need to kind of squish two of the toilet paper rolls so they kind of look like bunny ears, and then glue them on the bottom toilet paper roll. Can't get that, can I? To make for the face, and then you have two little ears. Nice, easy little stamp that you can make at home. So once you make your stamp and it's ready to go, this is a pretty easy activity to set up for your kiddos. You might just pour some of the paint on a little paper plate there, and then you can just dip in your stamp. Might need more paint than that, especially if you're going to let your kiddos play. But once you get it nice and coated in it, when you put your toilet paper rolls together, make sure you line up the ends so that they're matched up, so that when you stamp it, it covers all the little shapes you want it to. And once you get your paint on there, you just have to make some stamps. And you can get a little bunny shape. And if it's not quite there, you can always go back in and dip it again. And you can see how I'm making some bunny rabbit shapes there. I think I'm going to make 3 bunny rabbits today, but you let your kiddos just stamp away however much they want to play. Is awesome. And you can go over it over and over again. Kind of talk about, oh yeah, there's the bunny's face and there's the bunny's ears. How many ears do they have? They have 2. Are they big? Are they little? They're pretty big. You can hear pretty well. There are my bunnies. And once your kiddo's done stamping their bunnies, you can go in, or you can have you can model one and let them do the rest if they're a little higher in their drawing skills. And once the paint's dry, obviously my paint's not dry, but I'm just going to show you. You can go in and you can add little faces to your bunnies. So I'm going to add a little eyeball, 2 eyes, just like we do. And I'm going to do a nose. And bunnies kind of have a triangle shaped nose, so I'm going to put a little triangle shaped nose in there for him. There's his nose. You probably can't see that. I'll show you. And then maybe some whiskers in there, 3 little lines on the sides. You can even give him a little smile. So there's my bunny's face. You can fill in all the faces. You can do different colors if you have different paints. You can add other details to your picture if you want to add carrots for your bunnies to snack on, or some grass for them to hop on. Whatever you want to do for your bunny picture is completely fine. I hope you get a chance to do some stamping. This is also great paint for finger painting. And after they're finished stamping, they might want to do some more artwork, and you're okay with them getting a little messy, and you can let them do some finger painting. I don't recommend you eat this paint, but if you do, it's not the end of the world because there's nothing in it but flour, salt, and water. It's like eating Play-Doh, essentially. I think that's all I have for you. I hope you get a chance to make some bunnies of your own at home. This is our last activity of the week. I'm not going to see you again until Monday. We have 2 days. We're not going to see you, but I hope you had some fun this week, our very first week of learning at home. I had a lot of fun. I definitely missed teaching and showing you guys fun stuff, so I hope you had some fun. Remember to make some really good green choices for families at home. Don't be like little bunny foo-foo. Let's be some good listeners. And I will see you on Monday. Give me some knuckles. Thanks for joining me. Have a great weekend. Bye.